Hey Needle, I haven't left this house in 3 months. I'm starting to fantasize about cities like Philadelphia. That place sucks. The people are loud, the sports are awful, but they got one saving grace. We're making a Philly cheesesteak. Am I fitting in frame right again? Someone lean like this? I feel like I'm at a 50s diner. Hey sweetheart. Hey toots. Sugar mama. No one says that. I got a lot of great feedback about the show. Nobody likes being called a piece of shit. Hey Dylan, you piece of shit. A lot of people don't want to cut onions. They're like, I don't want to cut the onions. I don't want to cry. I came up with that cry. I've never heard somebody sound like, oh, 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 oh. Sound like Chewbacca accepting an Oscar. See that cool little internet trick that everyone does? This is basic editing. We're letting these guys sweat. There's a difference between grilling and sweating. Grill sweat, grill sweat. Caramelize. You one of those idiots who says caramelize? Are you caramelizing the onion? If you say caramelized over caramelized, I'm assuming you wear your shorts above your waist and you don't eat when you're one who would. You guys tenderize your meat like this? Thank you, Philly. It's coming out a little thick. There's nothing wrong with a little thick. A little thick. Am I f boy enough for you? Is that what f boys do? I'm a good Jewish boy. You up? I can't lie, I've said that before. I've definitely said it before. Before I get lectured about what I said last episode, I said people who overdo it with salt. You said people who eat salt are fucking. That's it. That's all we're getting. A good steak has a little bit of salt. Don't be a f***ing idiot. Ooh, ooh. Dirty girl. Being a bad, bad girl. You ever say that to a girl? Creepy, dude. Same people who are just like, who's your daddy? Who hurt you? Who's your daddy? Who's your dad? I feel like you can only say it like that. Who's your daddy? Okay, so this next step is not crucial. Nessa Hutchins, she goes like, but inevitable? Remember she was in High School Musical for 5 seconds and then she said something stupid? Careers happen. You're gonna take Mayo, old Chipotle adobo, you're gonna mix the two. The kid, I thought Mayo was gross. Then they rebranded it to aioli. That looks disgusting. Yeah, you know what that looks like? Mayonnaise, you f***ing sicko. Oh, yeah. You want to make sure you don't for a week. Just a little butter, a little bit. You're overcompensating. It's like Southern cooking. It's just like, well, I'll just cook this in some butter. And you realize why their IQs are so low to people. Let those buns get nice and hot. You like that, Toots? See how creepy that is? Make sure you follow, subscribe, tell your friends. I'm Chef